The Philippines has a very interesting history. It has gone from Muslim to the Spanish to the American, was invaded by the Japanese during World War II, and liberated by the Americans. Let's go to Intramuros and learn about this nation that survived against all odds.
What do you think?
Let me think. Let me think.
What does it mean?
No, what does that mean?
Yeah, no.
So I don't know. It's pretty cool that you can still see this old defense mechanism. I don't want to go too far. And you guys probably have all the same prices.
Yes. Yes.
He decided to act like an African president.
And we have 100,000 innocent victims of war here.
Tiger Woods, where are you? Spartan sa lang.
Yes.
All right. All right, thanks, man. All right. Oh wow, what a service! That's great service. Great service. All right.
My name is John Sir. Authorized to here. So
Yeah.
we're from Intramuros Administration.
Yeah.
Tour. The red line. Yes. And after that, we'll take you back here, Department of Labor and Employment. Stop every place, take a photo, explain you the history. Only two places of entrance fee: the former headquarters of the Japanese and the main attraction, Fort Santiago.
Yeah.
The rest is free. And our price is 350 per 30 minutes. The whole tour, it takes 1 hour to 1.5.
That's too long.
How about 1 hour tour? Or-
That's too long. I just want to look at the main areas real quick.
Oh, main area, two historical places that have entrance fee. The former headquarters and the main attraction, the former kingdom of the Muslims. They have dungeons inside, Museum of our National Hero, Lego Museum, and the mouth of the Pasig River.
How long does that take?
These two places,
Yeah.
maybe 1 hour.
I can't just walk there. Is it too far?
Because if you walk here, we have a residential place, squatters area. That's why we have a route of the tour. Because if you walk inside, maybe you lost because of our squatters area. That's why we have
Yeah, but 350 for
30 minutes.
that's a lot, man.
How about 300? What do you think?
Let me think. Let me think.
We can
You just said an hour. Now you said 30 minutes.
Yeah, no.
So I don't know.
We have duration for 30 minutes.
And you
But-
guys probably have all the same prices.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you see?
Wow. 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 Hey, these guys are good, man. They arranged to say this is the price. We don't care.
Yes, yes.
Don't talk to anybody else. It's the same.
Yes,
Man.
Are you a vlogger?
Yes,
Yes, I am.
We can follow
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. I give it my shot.
Follow.
Follow.
This is the fastest one I'm gonna have subscribers today. Oh man, look at this.
We'll have
Alright.
subscribe. We'll have a vlogger because we can see.
You can see yourself.
Yes, we
Yeah.
can see ourselves.
All right.
What's
Go on
the name, sir?
YouTube. I tell you. That's me right there.
Okay.
Thank you.
IvainTures.
Whoa.
IvainTures sounds like adventures.
IvainTures. My
Yes.
name is Ivan.
That's why.
So I wanted to play with the word adventure.
Yes.
Yeah.
AdvanTures.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Ivan.
Oh,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you. Thank you, man. Thank you. All right. All right, guys.
Okay,
subscribe there. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Where you come from, sir?
Where? Washington.
Washington.
Yeah.
This is very nice place.
Yeah.
From Washington.
It's a nice country.
Yeah, it is a nice country.
Oh, you're been in Madrid.
Yeah, it's nice,
Spain.
man. It's nice.
Yes.
All right, I have to go with this guy. He's nice. Let's go.
Okay, let's go, sir. Always touch your head, sir. Our Lamborghini is Filipino size.
A Lamborghini.
Yes.
Man.
Okay. Let's go to the first place, sir.
Shout out.
Shut up. All right. Spartan sa lang.
Yes.
All right.
Ito daw kagad, minute.
All right.
Oo, ano tayo sa video?
So here we go. This is what you have to deal with
Yeah.
when you come here to the Intramuros. So this is the oldest part of the city, right?
Yes, intra means inside, muros means wall. Intramuros is inside the wall or within the wall.
All right.
That's two words combined together. That's why it became Intramuros.
Intramuros.
On your right side, this is our university for scholars.
Yes.
If you want to study here, you need 90% passing grade and above.
Wow.
Yeah. The original part of the wall on the left side, many bullet holes and cannon holes from Battle of Manila, 1945.
You can still see the bullet holes on the wall.
Yes. Where do you stay here in Manila?
I'm staying in Makati.
Makati. What hotel?
It's called the Grand something. I forgot the name.
Like that.
We're making our first stop here.
We just show you the most of the...
So this wall right here, that's what was used to protect
Yes,
the actual city on this side, right?
one of the fortification.
One of the fortifications.
Yes.
And then the cannon.
This cannon is the most advanced weapon from the Japanese.
From the Japanese, but-
1945, facing Manila Bay.
Okay, it's facing the bay, and
Yes.
then they were shooting the ships from there.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
It's pretty cool that you can still see this old defense mechanism.
Yes.
And what I like about the Spanish cities, whether you think about Cartagena
Cartagena.
or even Puerto Rico, what you have is this similar wall structure. They always build around like that to protect the main city, and then install their cannons and start shooting out from there. It's a very similar type of construction that they have. Nice park. So building this is the starting point of the actual defense system. So you have the oldest stones out here in Manila. Wow, look at this. So guys, here what we have is Baluarte de San Diego, which is the old defense system and one of the oldest area here in the city of Manila. And way out there, what you have is the Manila Hotel. Famous why? Because that is where General MacArthur stayed. And they have the most expensive suite here in the city of Manila called the General MacArthur Suite. Hey, so if you have extra money and you want to sleep like a general, that's the spot. So what we have here is the biggest memory of American presence, a golf course. It used to be a canal, and when the American forces occupied the Philippines, they filled up the canal with land. There used to be ships that would get this close. I don't want to go too far, but you can basically see the water where it used to go. And all this was filled by Americans and became a beautiful golf course. Tiger Woods, where are you? Beautiful. And I'm walking on this wall, and it's super slippery on this side all the way to the golf course. Wow. From the Spanish beautiful wall fortress used for defense to the American golf course. That's what makes Philippines so beautiful. After all of these occupations, everybody has left a mark. My personal favorite is the golf course, though, I have to say. So guys, now we're heading to General MacArthur headquarters. Amazing, this is beautiful.
So,
Wow.
every structure here is time period until 1945. Because of World War II, the whole city was destroyed.
Yes.
Yes.
And then they had like earthquakes,
Yes, we have an
Earthquakes.
and then they rebuilt again.
Yeah.
But you can still see the original just beauty in all of these buildings right here.
That's part of UNESCO.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Wow.
Quarters of your general, sir.
All right. Oh, I'm okay. A little bit of water is good after all this heat. Thank you, though. Appreciate you. So, guys, behind me is the former office of General MacArthur here in Manila. Take a look. This building was established on July 26, 1941, and it was from here that the general worked to improve Philippines' defenses. So this is called Galería de los Presidentes de la República Filipina. It's the gallery of the president of the Philippines Republic. Just beautiful murals of presidents from past to present. I like how you can really see the features on their faces. And I should mention, presidents in the Philippines are elected for 6-year terms. But there's one man in particular that I want to bring to your attention. Ferdinand Marcos. Instead of 6 years, he decided to act like an African president and just stay in power. So this man stayed in power for 21 years. 21 years. If there's one guy I want you to remember, it's him. And then he was followed by a female president by the name of Corazon Aquino. So the Philippines elected a woman president back in 1986. Good job, Philippines.
The UNESCO World Heritage Site, San Agustin, the oldest church in the Philippines.
All right. San Agustin Church. All right.
After American bombing here, Japanese-American War.
Yeah.
After the bombing, the only surviving structure is San Agustin Church. Now that's the UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of UNESCO.
So they bombed the whole area and
Yes.
the church was not touched.
Yes.
Okay.
The only surviving structure.
That's amazing.
Including the wall is destroyed.
Wow.
Yes, 80% of the wall is destroyed after that.
So guys, what you're looking at is the UNESCO Heritage Site, the St. Augustine Church that was spared during the bombings of World War II. This church has survived many battles and natural disasters. It was also used as a concentration camp by the Japanese during World War II. What used to be a place of pain and torment is now a site of joy.
Intramuros it means
No, what does that mean?
within the wall.
So
Yeah.
within the walls, right?
Yeah, came from Latin.
And we have 100,000 innocent victims of war here. That's
in
why
Manila.
they built the memorial for 100,000 innocent victims of war, Plazuela Memorial.
That's one. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, here what you have is a memorial that was built here in memory of the 100,000 people who were killed in Manila, Philippines, from February 3rd until March 3rd, 1945. So this is just a memorial. The lady, the big sculpture represents the nation, and the dead baby she's holding is the lost hope. This is a beautiful but sobering memorial dedicated to the 100,000 Filipinos who perished during the Battle of Manila.
That's the baby. They throw it in the air, catch by the bayonet.
Yes,
And this one, the lady, they cut the tongue.
they cut her tongue.
Yes. And this one, they amputated the nipples of young woman. That's the only three pictures I got.
I was quite shocked by all the different events that happened here in Intramuros, Manila. And as my guys was biking around, I kept thinking about all the innocent lives that were lost. It's very easy to fall in love with how beautiful this area is. And what started for me with a big smile and laughs turned out to be the most intense and chilling history class. The final liberation of the Philippines at the end of World War II released Filipinos from years of torment